Asher Monroe Book, known professionally as Asher Monroe, is an American singer-songwriter, dancer, and actor. In 2006, after starring in an extensive run of national tours including The Sound of Music, Oliver, and The Prince and the Pauper, Monroe signed to Warner Bros. Records, under which he released his first top 40 single Love Struck as lead singer for the boy band V Factory. From 2006 to 2009, he starred in multiple primetime TV and film roles including Parenthood on NBC, the MGM remake of Fame, and The Mentalist on CBS, after which he signed on as the flagship solo artist to the music label D Empire Entertainment. In 2011, under new label and management, he was named one of MTV's top 10 artists, alongside other artists such as Frank Ocean, Lana Del Rey, and Avicii. In December 2012, he appeared on the sponsored cover of Billboard magazine, after he released his two latest singles, Here With You and Hush Hush. Monroe began recording collaborations in late 2013 with Chris Brown and Sean Kingston in Los Angeles, California for his forthcoming solo album. At the age of 7 he landed the role of Chip in the first national tour of the Broadway production of Beauty and the Beast. Monroe became lead singer of V Factory shortly after high school. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.